Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Welcome back to the Waffle Stitch Mystery Crochet Along. We're going to use anti-pilling everyday worsted yarn. I'm using the colors mustard and lemon, as well as a 4mm crochet hook. You will not only learn the waffle stitch in this tutorial, but we're also going to cover a new stitch in this tutorial, which is part of the Mystery Crochet Along. You can find the written instructions free to view with ads on my website. See the link down below in the description. If you prefer the ad-free version, come join my membership, the Crochet Club. You not only get access to this pattern, but also over 400 additional ad-free patterns, extra support, community, weekly live tutorials, exactly what you want to be taught, as well as monthly get-togethers. It's a really fun, engaging community. Now let's get started for part 2. In part 2, you're only going to use the lemon color. First, you will crochet these two small little waffle stitch rectangles. Go back to part 1 if you need a quick reminder on how to do the waffle stitch. If you're part of the Mystery Crochet Along, what you're going to do is you're going to make a chain of 18, start from the second chain from the hook, crochet an alternative turning chain, and then crochet double crochet stitches for the rest of the row. You will end up with 17 stitches for that row. Then turn your work. In row 2, you're going to crochet 2 double crochet stitches, then a front post double crochet, and then you're going to repeat that until the end. Then you're going to turn your work and you're going to start with 2 front post double crochet stitches, 1 double crochet, and repeat that. Then you're going to repeat that section until you have 6 rows in total. You're going to make 2 rectangles that way. Now you have 2 small rectangles using the waffle stitch, but I'm going to teach you one more stitch, and that is the linked crochet stitch. Now let's make a rectangle using the linked treble crochet stitch. You're going to chain 33. I'm just going to make a small swatch here so I can show you how to do this stitch. You're going to start at the second chain from the hook, and you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. This is your first yarn over for the treble crochet stitch. Now insert it into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You now have your second yarn over for the treble crochet stitch. Now let's insert it into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now you finally have your 4 loops on your hook for your treble crochet stitch. Now yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you made your very first linked treble crochet stitch. Now you see these horizontal bars right there. We're going to use those in order to link the stitches together. So we are making treble crochet stitches, but they linked together. So insert your hook here in the first one, yarn over and pull through. That's your first yarn over. Now go to the bottom one, yarn over and pull through. This is your second yarn over for the treble crochet stitch. Now insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and you have your 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, through 2, and through 2. And there's your second one. Now you're going to repeat that. So again, into the horizontal bar, yarn over and pull through, into the horizontal bar, yarn over and pull through, and into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. 4 loops, and work them up 2 at a time. Now go ahead and finish the row and then turn your work. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. Keep in mind, it's going to roll a little bit, and that is totally normal. In case you didn't know, linked crochet stitches are part of the Tunisian crochet family. So you are actually, if you're looking at it in this direction, you actually made Tunisian simple stitches. But because we're doing it slightly different, we're going in rows, we're counting them as linked treble crochet stitches. You're now going to turn your work, and that will also make the curl go away. So no worries about that. Okay. So now you're going to make a chain of 3. Then insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull through, into the third, yarn over and pull through. You have your 2 yarn overs for the treble crochet stitch. Now insert it into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, and now finish it up like a regular treble crochet stitch. That's your first treble crochet stitch, which means that chain of 3 right here doesn't count as a stitch or anything. It is just so that you can make your stitches. Okay. Now again, go into the horizontal bars and do your yarn overs, and then into the stitch, 4 loops on your hook, and finish it up like a treble crochet stitch. Now go ahead and repeat that until the end of the row and turn and continue crocheting the linked treble crochet stitch until you are done and you made your 7 rows, and you're going to see your project look like this. It will have a little bit of a wave, and that is totally fine. You can block it if it totally bothers you, no problem at all. But this is now finished for part 2 of the Mystery Crochet Along. So for part 2, you should have 2 small waffle crochet stitch rectangles as well as 1 linked treble crochet rectangle. Now go ahead and take your picture and post it into the Facebook group called Crocheting with Nikki with the corresponding hashtag so we can see and celebrate you that you're part of the Mystery Crochet Along. Feel free to, of course, include a picture of part 1 as well. So now, do you have any guesses yet of what we're working on? You've made several rectangles so far, but we're not done yet. We still have 1 part to go. And no worries, part 3 is going to be the quickest part. But I would love to hear your guesses of what we're working on. Quick reminder that down below is a link in the description. Go ahead and click it to see the written instructions for the Mystery Crochet Along. Either the free to view on my website with ads, or to join my membership and become a member and get over 400 ad-free patterns, extra support, weekly live tutorials that teaches you exactly what you want to be taught, and monthly get-togethers with an amazing community to support you. I hope to see you in part 3. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. But for now, go ahead and watch my next video. I'm sure you want to. See it right here.